SENS8. Today we're going to talk about the LightCam, which is an Indiegogo, a crowdfunding website. And so it's 1080p. It has 800 lumens light, PR's sensor, two-way talk, free cloud and local storage. It has built-in memory, a 95 dB siren. It's IP65 weatherproof body. And here's how the light works. Dawn to dusk, motion trigger, manual mode. It has automatically uploaded recordings. Its LED light shines bright at 800 lumens, equivalent brightness of 800 candles. It also has custom motion detection zone. It stores on Google Drive or Dropbox with 8 GB of local storage. No subscription fee required. Here's the Google Drive prices. So you get 15 GB for free. Here's the Dropbox prices. Here's the Ring prices. Here's some of the specs comparisons. The floodlight is $249 for the Ring, as opposed to $69. IFTT compatible and syncs with Alexa. The LightCam being IFTTT allows for freedom and where you want to store it, and it's a better option for consumers. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.